So every module of the program were helpful. As an entrepreneur, I have carefully listened business modules such as entrepreneurship, ethic, leadership, business plan, how to do a business plan. Management modules were extremely helpful as well in my business, how to lead people, the time management, organize tasks. Frankfurt is a fantastic city. You have huge amount of international people here, expatriate. So for culture is the place to be, and this is why I also developed my branch in cultural diplomacy, because you have a lot of interaction, a lot of important and influenceable topic happening here. So the Frankfurt School Executive MBA helped me in many domains. I can say first of all it gave me a global vision of my business. I'm able to think in a higher level. That's the first thing. Second is all these tools, methods and structure that I didn't have before. I used to lead my business with intuition and experience, and now I got the tool, the methods and the structure in order to do the work professionally, even more professionally, as well as to understand the corporate language. I'm a totally different person from when I started the Executive MBA in 2016 until now. I learned so many new things. I have a life experience, a self-development level up, and I will recommend the Executive MBA 100% without any hesitation.